Namaskar Mitro, I am Hari Sharma from Astro and Vision. Today we will talk about the career, more especially related to the job. So in job you find lots and lots of challenges which one has to face in day-to-day life, be it related to the promotion or scuffle with the bosses, scuffle with the subordinates, and many other external forces which are really going to trouble to everyone in today's corporate world. So one of the biggest solution to look into this is your horoscope, your birth details, whereby the date of birth, time of birth and place of birth is taken, and a birth chart is erected and the other charts are erected, so called the 16 charts are erected, and things are being worked out that how exactly you should go about it. You should look into the new opportunities, or you should look into the business opportunities or new job profile for that matter, and all that. So all some changes related to that, you should locate to somewhere else, go abroad, or be an entrepreneur. The solution is there out in your birth chart, which need to be looked into. So me, Hari Sharma, as an astrologer and have an experience of 40 years, if you want, you can always get in touch with me for any of your job related affairs, confusions, or some kind of a solution in a divine manner. Call me at 995-888-3955 or 955-600-111. Thank you so much.